Well, it's a nice August day. Somewhat cool, so I decided I'd take the S10 back racing. Been sitting in here a while. As you can tell, it's getting dirty. Just some dust flying around, got weeds growing up through the wheel. And I went to open the hood earlier, and there's even weeds growing on the engine. You can tell it's been a while since it's been running. You get these damn weeds out of here. Morning glory vines. Battery's still in it. Hopefully it's still up. I need to get the ramp truck running too. I haven't had it running in a while either. And we'll head on, get this cleaned up, loaded up, put slicks on. We'll get headed over to the track. See if any of the stuff that I found that was wrong actually makes a difference. Hopefully it does. Might not have done a darn thing either. Alright, I want to say thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, also like, share, comment. What you just seen is I was getting ready to take my S10 racing, and that was back in August. Right now it's December. I lost all the footage, so I have nothing. Nothing after what I just did there. Nothing of me loading it, going to the track racing, nothing. But to make a long story short, what I did before, and messing with the fuel and the ignition, did absolutely nothing. When I went back racing, it went slower, and I had a heck of a time getting back to run, and I think I ended up getting 1.75, but I had to work at it to get a 7.5. I did change carburetors. I did mess with the carb a little bit at the track. I think when I first got there, it was running 7.8s or something like that, but I got down to 7.5. But anyways, next for this is I'm going to do a cylinder head swap. Right now it has Pro Comp 210 runner heads on it. I bought some of those aluminum heads they sell on eBay, Amazon, and several other places that are supposed to flow better and make more power. Skip White sells them. He says they're worth 50 horse. Over to the Pro Comp heads, well, we're going to find out. We're actually put to the test. We're going to track and see how much of a difference they make. Real world, I guess, test, experience, whatever you want to call it. But that's coming up. I've already did it, so I know what they do and all that stuff, but you're just going to have to watch and see what they actually do. If I'm explaining that right. So just stay tuned, and that's coming up here shortly. And some other stuff, more on the Monza, more on this S10. I don't know if I have any more on the Cutlass I showed earlier. I think I lost all that footage. I might have to do some more on it, kind of redo it. But what else? I think there's something else I wanted to say. The Gremlin. There's some stuff coming up on the Gremlin, which it hasn't been done for a while. We built the engine for it, and I believe we installed the engine. That's as far as we got, but we brought it out here to finish it up, and there's some more on that, so stay tuned.